Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Journal and Techno Summit. Today I am back with a brand new video on how our universe started and how humans are formed. So friends, let's start the video today. Now, the first question is how our universe is formed. Our universe began with an explosion of space itself, the Big Bang, starting from extremely high density and temperature space expand and the universe cooled, and the simplest elements formed. Gravity gradually drew matter together to form these first stars and first galaxies like Milky Way and etc. galaxies. Friends, now I will explain you about this theory which I have read. So friends, this theory says that our universe began with an explosion of space, means the Big Bang, and before it there was nothing in our space. Universe was empty, only darkness, no planet, no stars, no galaxies. Now you will think that how this Big Bang occurred? No worry, I will tell you. Friends, when there was nothing like planets, stars, galaxies, then there was energy. Because of energy only, the Big Bang occurred. The explosion by which our universe formed. Friends, the energy cannot be created or destroyed. If you know, so it's good, and if you don't know, so you can learn from here. And next is, what are the three pieces of evidence for Big Bang? But there are more line of evidence. There are fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background radiation. We don't see any star older than 13.8 billion years. The discoveries of dark matter and dark energy, along with how the light covers from distant supernovae. So, next question is, what did Big Bang looks like? Friends, it's a common question that what did the Big Bang looks like? But in the Big Bang, space was suffused with light a fraction of a second after the event. The universe was over a trillion times small than an atom. It was also hot, a septillion on followed by 24 zeros times hotter than the center of the sun. Friends, you have listened trillion, you have listened billion, you have listened million, billion, trillion. You have also listened quadrillion. But ever you have listened septillion? Friends, septillion is a very new word, means you should learn it. And the next question is, how old is our universe? Friends, our universe is 13.772 billion years old. In 2012, WMAP estimated the age of the universe to be 13.772 billion years with an uncertainty of 59 million years. In 2013, Planck measured the age of the universe at 13.82 billion years. Friends, both are somehow same, but friends, our universe is this much old. Think this much old we have our universe. And now the next question is, is nothingness is possible. There is no such thing as nothingness, and zero does not exist. Everything is something. Friends, I want to tell you that nothingness means a place where nothing is there. It is not possible, not possible, not possible. Because if you go to Sahara Desert, there you will find nothing, but there will be sand and cactus tree. But there is something na. That only I want to tell you. And the next question is, who is the founder of universe? Universe is created according to Kepler on this day in 4977 BC. The universe is created according to German mathematician and astronomer Johannes Kepler. Considered as founder of modern science, Kepler is the best known for his theory explaining the motion of planets. His friends, universe is created. Universe is created by Big Bang, but Johannes Kepler tell us about it by his research. Friends, you will don't think that Big Bang was made by that Johannes Kepler, etc. Now the next question is, what is beyond the universe? Friends, what is beyond the universe? In our backyard, the universe is full of stars, but go more than about 1 million light years away, and you have left the Milky Way behind. Beyond that, there a sea of galaxies for Earth's 2 trillion in total contained in our observable universe. Friends, beside us, the universe is full of stars, etc., and 1 million light years away they are, and you will leave the Milky Way behind if you will go to them, and there is a sea of galaxies also. And the next question is, how are Milky Way formed? In this view, small gas clouds are clustered and protogalaxies must time and time again to form a large structure. If this is correct, the Milky Way probably formed when a star cluster came together to form the galaxy's core. As the gas cloud rotated fast, the galaxy flattened out into a disk. Yes, friend, our galaxy is formed by small gas clouds. Now, next question is, how our sun is formed? Means how stars are formed. The sun and the sun and the rest of the solar system form from a giant rotating cloud. Means giant rotating cloud in space of gas and dust called a solar nebula about 4.5 billion years ago. As the nebula collapsed because of its overwhelming gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk orbit galactic center. Friends, our whole solar system is made by a nebula. I mean a gas cloud in space containing gas and dust particles. And because it explodes because it has a very large amount of gravity. And the next question is, how are planets formed? The various planets are thought to have formed from the solar nebula the disc-shaped cloud of gas and dust left over from the sun's formation. The currently accepted method by which the planet formed is acceleration, in which the planet began as dust grains is orbit around central prostar. Now, friend, this theory says that various planets are formed by the solar nebula. This is a disc-shaped cloud of gas and dust left over the formation of sun. Means after sun's formation, which nebula left by that are planets have been made. So the next question is, what form is the Earth formation when the solar system settled into its current layout? About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed when gravity pulled swirling gas and dust in to become the third planet from the Sun. Like its fellow terrestrial planet, Earth has a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. Friends, now I will explain this theory. According to this theory, our Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago when gravity pulled swirling gas and dust particles, and it becomes the third planet from the Sun. Now, the next question is, what was the earliest form of life? The earliest known life forms on the earth are protave fossils, microorganisms found in hyperthermal vast precipitated that may have lived early as 4.20 Gia. Relatively soon after the ocean formed, 4.41 Gia, and not long after the formation of the earth, 4.54 Gia. Now friends, I will explain you this theory. Friends, the first ever life form on earth was protave fossilized microorganisms found in hydrothermal vent precipitation. Means that they live early as 4.28 Gias. Friends, you have been thinking that what is Gia? Don't worry, I will tell you what is Gia. Friends, Gia is a billion years. A billion years is a unit of time on the petasecond scale, more precisely equal to 3.16 into 10 to the power 16 seconds. It is sometimes abbreviated GY, GA, BYR, and variants. The observations GIA or BIA are for billion years ago, that is billion years before present. Now friends, you can understand through this theory that a Gia is the unit on the time on the petasecond scale, and Gia is used for billion year ago. Now friends, you had been thinking that what is petasecond? Now I will tell you what is petasecond. Petasecond, plural, petaseconds, metrology, and SI unit of time equal to 10 to the power 15 seconds. Yes friends, 10 to the power 15 seconds. Now friends, which is the first animal in the earth? The evolutionary history of the comb jelly has revealed surprising clues about the Earth's first animal. Earth's first animal was the ocean-drifting comb jelly, not the simple sponge, according to a few find that has shocked scientists who didn't imagine the earliest critical could be so complex. Yes, friends, a Ocean drifting comb jelly was the first animal in our earth. According to our scientists, it has amazed and it has by knowing this our scientist has been amazed and shocked that earliest critter could be so complex. Now friends, next question is how dinosaur is there dinosaur were in our earth? Yes friends, there were dinosaurs in our earth. Dinosaur diverged from their Archosaur ancestor during the middle to late Triassic epochs. Roughly 20 million years after the devastating Permian Triassic extinct event wiped out an estimated 96% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species approximately 252 million years ago. Friends, this theory says that dinosaurs diverged from their ancestors Archosaurs. Yes friend, Archosaurs. About Archosaur I will tell you in next video friends, so wait for my next video friends. Nobody has ever found a real live dragon and there are no fossils of them. So it is reasonable to say that they do not exist and never have. Friends, yes, you are listening right. I am talking about dragons. Friends, this theory say that dragons not exist and never have. But all theories are not right. Some are wrong also. So, there is one more reason, there is one more thing that you should know. There should be dragons, but their fossils are not here. Like their fossils had been transformed into coal, like fuels, etc. This can be also. And now the next question is, now it comes our ancestors, Homo genus. Friends, now you are thinking is what is genus? So friends, I will tell you about it in my next video, when I will tell you about Archosaurs. Now start the another question. Sapiens out of a central H erectus or an intermediate species such as Homo antiquus is estimated to have occurred in Africa. Roughly species Homo sapiens, kingdom Animalia means animal, class Mammalia means mammal, order primates. Now friends, our ancestors have a look like this when they were not fully developed, but in halfway. Now, the origin of the genus Homo in Africa signals the beginning of the shifting from increasingly bipedal apes to primitive large-brained stone tool-making meat-eaters that travel far and wide. This early part of human genus is represented by the three species Homo habilis, Homo rudolphus, and Homo erectus. Friends, all three names comes in the species of Homo sapiens. Now these are some images of our ancestors. Now, who were Homo sapiens? Friends, Homo sapiens, Latin wise man, the species to which all modern human beings belong. Homo sapiens is one of several species grouped into the genus Homo, but it is the only one that is not extinct. See, you also human evolution. Friends, today I am Friends, this much for today's video. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe and comment for another videos. See you soon. Bye bye.